If we can do the right signing, guys, I'm telling you, next season we are winning the league. This season we saw some glimpses of that. Chelsea can win the league thing. Yes, this season we saw it. The way we began this season, it came to a point we needed that experience, that balanced squad. Yes, we are not having those players. That is why Liverpool, yes, they went ahead and won the league. You saw that this season the league wasn't competitive. No. Arsenal will continue to be Arsenal. Nobody gave Liverpool the tough time. And Nottingham Forest, yes, they didn't saw it coming. They performed well, but to be honest, when the season started, if even they tell Nottingham Forest player that they will be second on the league table at some point in the season, no, they won't believe it. So next season, even if Chelsea is not going to win the league, for me, I believe if we do the right signing this summer, where we can compete for the league and we can win the league. And even if Chelsea will not win or is not going to win the league next season, but the team who is going to win the league, he should get it difficult. Hi guys, welcome to Football Lions. My name is Richman, or you can call me Richman. In fact, guys, information from Sporting Camp. Chelsea target Victor Gyorkeres, the striker Chelsea interested to sign from Sporting. Information said that he is leaving, or he will be leaving Sporting this summer. Permanent move, permanent transfer, and his market value is 65 million. Victor Gyorkeres. So if Chelsea is going to sign him, Chelsea must pay that 65 million, or any other team who want to sign him must go with 65 million, because as we are speaking now, Arsenal interested to sign him, Manchester United, Chelsea, yes, they all want strikers. So Victor Gyorkeres will be leaving Sporting. Yes, they won the Portugal league, yes, the Portuguese league. So after that, he will be leaving. And they even interview him. He said for now, his destination is unknown. No. The team that he will be leaving to is unknown, undisclosed. But another information said that other European teams start talking to his camp or start talking to Sporting. The likes of Chelsea, as I mentioned, Arsenal and co. Yes, Manchester United and co. Yes, those teams who need a striker this season. So guys, now Victor Gyorkeres, if Chelsea want to sign him, Chelsea must pay 65 million. And one thing I like about this striker, the information said that he will be leaving. Yes, the clause has been agreed between him and Sporting that he will be leaving. 65 million, whether raining or shining, nothing will happen that he will stay. So no matter how the situation, Chelsea can start the talking. Chelsea can start the talking as it is made known to everybody that he will be leaving. Yes, and also Victor Osimhen market value, yes, almost the same as Victor Gyorkeres. These two strikers just interested. Victor Osimhen also has a release clause of 60+ million, as I said, the same as Victor Gyorkeres. And these two strikers, in fact, guys, any of them is good to go for Chelsea. Any of them. But some fans are saying that Victor Gyorkeres doesn't deserve the 65 million because just one season wonder. This season he started scoring goals. This season he started performing. So some fans are saying that the 65 million is too big. Just one season. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. So these two strikers, Chelsea interested to sign. And these two strikers are good to go. Any of them Chelsea sign, for me, I will be okay. See, now we don't need try and see striker again or developing striker again. And what even pains me this season, like when we are playing, we can see that we need a striker. When we are playing, we are creating chances. Nobody is there to convert it. No. So for me, this is why I keep on crying every day. Chelsea should go and sign Osimhen. Chelsea should go and sign Isak. Chelsea should go and sign Victor Gyorkeres. See, as a big team, you must score. You must convert your chances. As a big team, at least one chance, convert it. Because you are competing like Chelsea. Any team that is coming to Chelsea home, they are coming to defend. They are coming to frustrate Chelsea. So in that case, that low blocks teams, when we are playing against them in Stamford Bridge, make sure that when you get your chance, you convert them. You convert them. And this season, we saw it in so many occasions in our games. We were lacking that clinical striker, that experienced striker, someone who doesn't see so many chances before he scores. So for me, next season, I don't see Chelsea going with a striker called Nicolas Jackson again. I don't want to see Chelsea going next season with a striker called Jackson again. Yes, guys, because Jackson is not up to the standard playing for Chelsea, being Chelsea striker. Jackson is not up to the standard. And also next season, see, Manchester City, they are coming. Arsenal, they are coming back. They want a striker. Manchester United, they said they will build a team for Ruben Amorim, their baby coach. So next season, the league will be difficult. You will see how this season we are struggling to make top 4. Next season, it will be difficult more than that. So we should prepare. Chelsea should go and do all the right sides. The defense, the midfield, the striker. So this is why some of us, we keep on crying Chelsea to go and sign as experienced striker. See, it pains a lot, guys. Seeing those crosses from NATO, from our fullbacks, from our wings. Nobody is there to convert it. Nobody. It pains a lot when you are watching Chelsea game and you are seeing the number of chances we are missing. Some chances, if we were having a good striker, clinical striker, those chances supposed to be a goal. So for me, I think this coming summer will be a busy summer and should be a busy summer for this our owners. They must take this summer serious. They should not go and continue signing their young players. No. This summer should not be that kind of summer we saw already. This summer should be a summer solving Chelsea current problems. Chelsea starting 11 problems. Yes, the defense, the goalkeeping. We'll come to the goalkeeping, guys. Petrovic, yes, he won player of the season in Strasbourg. We'll come to that. So please continue watching this video till the end. So this summer, we don't want to see any joke. No. The owner should take it serious. We want a striker. And that's 60 million, 65 million for Osimhen and Gyorkeres. For me, it is not a higher fee. For me, when I look at it, because I look at the midfielders who sign 100 million, look at the money we pay for Modric. Now, where's Modric? So it's not a big money. Looking at the strikers, yes, we want to sign. Looking at them, Gyorkeres, Isak and co. They are proven strikers, experienced strikers, goal-scoring strikers. This season, Victor Osimhen scored something like 27 goals. Gyorkeres scoring something like 50-something goals in all competition. Isak also scored more than 20 goals this season. So these strikers are not bad strikers. So paying 60 million, 65 million, 60-something million for them, it's not bad. No, it's not bad to me. By the way, guys, that is my opinion. Yes, let me hear from you under the comment section. Chelsea paying that fee for this our strikers, or for this striker we're interested to sign. Do you think it is high, or do you think they deserve it, guys? Let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes, and let's move to the next topic. And before we go there, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And we'll give you a podcast, yes, about the top 4, yes, hopes. Chelsea making the top 4. Now, Aston Villa, Manchester City, Newcastle, yes, Nottingham Forest, we are all competing for the top 4. Can Chelsea make the top 4? I am my Chelsea brother, yes, Isa. We had a video for that. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them. Or at the end of this video, I will leave it there for you to enjoy them. Let's come to Gyorkeres. Gyorkeres won player of the season at Strasbourg. Guys, our lone player. In fact, this voting, I think they will get it difficult between Petrovic and Santos, because this season also Santos performed well there. In fact, League 1, yes, not only Strasbourg. So guys, Petrovic, our lone goalkeeper, won player of the season in Strasbourg. Player of the season, that is marvelous for a goalkeeper winning player of the season. That showed that he has done enough, a lot. Yes, as I said, Santos also performed well there. But upon all that, Petrovic won that player of the season. And we hope, guys, Enzo Maresca is seeing. We hope Maresca is seeing this. This time around, we can't accept Maresca dating Sanchez's sister. For that matter, Sanchez will be starting ahead of Petrovic. This time around, it will not work. We can't accept it. No. Next season, Petrovic all the way. Next season, Petrovic being on the goal post. I can't see Sanchez again being my goalkeeper. Champions League. Look at the Champions League this season. Goalkeepers are saving them. Donnarumma, Soma and co. They are saving them. Can Sanchez do it? No. Big no. Look at his passes. Nowadays, if Sanchez just get the ball on his leg, he makes sure that he clear it. He don't want to make a mistake. So for that matter, he doesn't even care. He will clear it to our player or pass it. No, no, no. He just clear it. At this level, highest level, playing for Chelsea goalkeeper, you can't give a pass. You have to clear it. No, 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 no. This is not League 2 or League 1. This is Chelsea. This is the Premier League. The supreme level, the apex level. We are having a goalkeeper like Sanchez. Petrovic, welcome. Welcome to Chelsea Football Club. For me, I keep on saying that Maresca is not fair sometimes. Enzo Maresca is not fair sometimes, guys. See, when he came to Chelsea, he didn't give Petrovic a single chance for him to prove himself before he make a decision between them and Jorgensen and Sanchez. He just let the guy leave on low. Now look at the performance. Imagine Petrovic were to be dead this season. Some goals we considered, some errors Sanchez made, it won't have happened. I'm telling you. So guys, sometimes Maresca is not fair. This time around, the world can see. The world saw it clearly, witnessed everything. No way Petrovic coming back to next season and Maresca trying benching him. Until maybe Petrovic also started doing some. And for me, I believe him. I trust him. Since Chelsea signed him from New England, I started watching him. The guy is very good on saves, very good on set pieces, very good on saving penalties. Go and watch his video. The guy is good. So no way, guys. Petrovic won Player of the Season at Strasbourg. Congratulations to him. Yes. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes, our goalkeeper winning Player of the Season. Yes, at Strasbourg. And also, guys, let's say a big congratulations to our women team. Chelsea women team. Yes, they won treble this season. They won the Women Super League, the League Cup, and the FA Cup recently against Manchester United. In fact, this our women team, they are doing so good. Not this season. Previous season, they have been showing that performance upon performance. Chelsea women team, see, I wish our men team were also to be playing like our women team. Imagine our men team playing like, that means we are winning everything. We are winning everything, not only in the Premier League, domestic treble, no, European treble and domestic treble combined. Yes, once upon a time, our men team were performing like that. I can still remember 2021, Chelsea men team reached Champions League final, Chelsea women team reached Champions League final. At the end of the day, we were to set a record. Yes, the first team or the first club, Chelsea, their women team win a Champions League and their men team also win a Champions League in the same year. We were to set that record, but unfortunately that year, the women team didn't win the Champions League. At the end of the day, the men team won 2021, if you can remember. They also went on final. Till date, they keep on performing. If not final, Champions League, semi-final, final, champion. That is how like they put the standard, the level, final, semi-final. For the Super League, the FA Cup, they will not talk. They are winning like just a football game. No, just chicken ears for them, our women team. And let with this our men team to stop disgracing us, to stop disappointing us. And let's hope next season things change, because if we can do the right signing, guys, I'm telling you, next season we are winning the league. This season we saw some glimpses of that. Chelsea can win the league team. Yes, this season we saw it. The way we began this season, it came to a point we needed that experience, that balanced squad. Yes, we were not having those players. That is why Liverpool, yes, they went ahead and won the league. You saw that this season the league wasn't competitive. No. Arsenal will continue to be Arsenal. Nobody gave Liverpool the tough time. And Nottingham Forest, yes, they didn't saw it coming. They performed well, but to be honest, when the season started, if even they tell Nottingham Forest player that they will be second on the league table at some point in the season, no, they won't believe it. So next season, even if Chelsea is not going to win the league, for me, I believe if we do the right signing this summer, where we can compete for the league and we can win the league. And even if Chelsea will not win, or it's not going to win the league next season, but the team who is going to win the league, he should get it difficult. He should not get it easy as Liverpool had it this season. Guys, I'm telling you. So no matter how the situation, next season, the Premier League, we must be a favorite to win it. We must be a favorite to win it. So guys, as our women team, they are winning the Premier League, the Women's Super League here and there, left, right, and center, frontwards and backward. Next season, Chelsea must come back. Chelsea will be back. So guys, our women team also won domestic treble. Yes. And also, let's talk about Man City, guys. In fact, this Man City team, like, I don't understand, guys. Crystal Palace beat them, FA Cup final, and won their first major trophy, yes, in their history, Palace. Congratulations to them. Yes, another London team. That is good. Yes. In fact, during the general transfer window, can you believe that City spent money more than any other team? All European teams, not only England. Yes, during the general transfer window, they signed 100 million player, 80 million what and what player. So some of us we thought maybe they will turn it up, they will turn it around. But unfortunately, they are even struggling. They are also struggling to make the top 4. And if care is not taken, I'm telling you, City beating Fulham on the last day, it will be difficult. And on the last day, any team who fail to win, you are going out on the top 4 or the top 5th race. On the last day, the 38th game, any team who fail to win, forget about top 4. So City, Chale. Look at the team. Yes, De Bruyne is no more the De Bruyne. Bernardo Silva is no more Bernardo. But still, you can see Mamouche and Co. Yes, they are wingers of, they are doing it. Yes. So guys, what is wrong with Manchester City? Yes, Crystal Palace beat them. See, next season, Chelsea must come back. This season, Newcastle won their first trophy. Yes, 70 years coming. And also this season, Crystal Palace winning their first major trophy in their history. Yes. And who also wants? It's like another team. Yes, Nino team won something important this season. Yes. Even when you look at the European competitions, you see Ninos. Now, Spurs in the Europa League final against Manchester United. PSG in the Champions League final, yes, against Inter Milan. PSG, they never won it. I think 54 years in their club history, they never won, yes, Champions League. Look at how PSG is big. Look at the money they spend over the years. So it will continue like that. Next season, all these teams will fix their problem. For Madrid, they started fixing their problem. They signed our target, Hodgson. It will continue like that. Arsenal will go and sign a striker. Manchester United will try to rebel. As I said, Man City, as we all knew, for them, they don't fear spending. They can spend during the journey. Look at the amount of money they spend. So that means that they are telling us that in the summer, it will be more than that. So no matter how the situation, guys, next season, Chelsea must compete. Next season, Chelsea must sign the right players to start competing. Champions League or Premier League. And the Champions League, it will be difficult. But for me, I think we'll qualify. We'll beat Forest. Yes. It will come to the team who want it more. Yes. And sometimes as a big team, yes, the day you have to show it. Always big teams, they show it like Chelsea. So for me, I believe that, guys, the top 4 or the top 5, we are making it. The Champions League, Chelsea is qualifying for it. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about all what we discussed in this video. And as I said, we gave you a podcast about, yes, the top 5 hope. Yes, Nottingham Forest, Aston Villa, yes. Who can make or can Chelsea make the top 4 or the top 5, guys? Here's the video. Please click to enjoy them. And don't forget to hit the like button for this video to also reach more people in the YouTube algorithm. And tell another Chelsea fan about this channel, Football Lions, and hit the subscription button. Take care. Peace.